Hi friend, I am Nitesh and I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This is my first video on YouTube and regarding English speaking. I have been learning English for last 3 months when lockdown was enforced by the government all over the India. Then I have decided to develop English speaking skill of mine and I started work on it. Initially, it was very difficult for me because I didn't have any native partners, I didn't have any speaking partner, and the most challenging thing was that to collect the study material because during the lockdown we cannot go to the any institutes for taking English classes. We didn't get any online tutor and online classes also in the starting. So I have decided to develop English speaking skill on my own, and I searched on YouTube for different videos. From there I got different views of the peoples who are already teaching English languages and who are also try to speak English. So their experiences will definitely worth for me, and I started my English learning with grammar. First thing that I have to do is to develop our grammar because we should at least know in which tense which verb we have to use when we go to the another part of our English language, which is fixed sentences. At initial level I work on my grammatical part, and when I watch some videos regarding grammatical part, modal, tenses, verbs, and I take a little bit experience from all these videos. I write down the sentences on daily basis, and after that I make the sentences of particular rule. It was just because of I didn't have any English background. I have studied in Hindi medium, so it is very necessary for me first to understand the grammatical part of English because it was the base of our English languages or English speaking also. Because most of the people who speaks well, they views that they didn't have any grammatical part what they are speaking fluently. This was because they understand the English grammar in their mind and speak very fast. That's why they say that we are not caring about any grammar. Or when we talk about English speaking, the grammatical part has a little bit significant, but the most significant part is that how clear, how fluent you are speaking. It is the most important thing that I have observed during my this last 3 month experiences. Before 3 months, it was very difficult for me to make a sentence or to speak a one particular sentence in English. But when I started on my English grammatical part, vocabulary part, or I listen some views on YouTube, whatever I am speaking right now, I studied from YouTube and for free. I didn't pay a single rupee for enhancing my English languages. So, if you want to speak any language, or particularly we are talking about English language, so we just need to focus on their base or root. And the main root of English speaking is vocabulary, fixed sentences, phrasal verbs, or we can say some grammatical part also. And my main purpose is to make this video is not only famous on YouTube and getting some fans following. I'm doing this just because I don't have any speaking partner to myself whom I can speak regularly basis. And when I speak English between my friend circle, so they are just kidding me. So it was very difficult, and I got nervous, and I left my English languages and I come to my local languages. So this is the last and I think beneficial uh, feature for me to enhance my speaking practices, because from last 3 months I just focused on listening processes, and whatever I am speaking right now, it is just because of English listening practices. I didn't write any story, I didn't write any vocabulary in my book, because all the vocabulary that I have been searching from last 3 months is in my mobile, and whenever I get time I got revise all the vocabulary part. I will definitely told you in next video what are the tools that I have used to enhance my English speaking, and what are the steps that I've been adopting for my speaking practices. So I just have to tell you one thing that is if you want to learn English, just focus or treat it yourself as a child, because if you don't know anything, so we have to observe the things, observe the English speakers, and listen. First you need to try to listen any YouTube videos with subtitle. I have been listening lots of almost 200 300 stories on YouTube, and 200 300 impressional videos, motivational videos, and whatever you like. I listen Baba Sadhguru ji is speaking, because he is speaking in very well,